Hi there, Zach Castle here, marketing expert with the Huffaker Group of Keller Williams Realty. You know, one of the things I hear our listing agents discuss the most is the importance of a home's first impression. That emotional feeling you get when you see a home for the first time can really make or break a sale. To ensure your home has that wow factor in its first impression, make sure its exterior is spotless. Might I recommend pressure washing? Pressure washing is a great way to make sure your home shines. It can clean off old stains, caked on mud, and even helps you clean those hard to reach places. If you'd like a recommendation on a great local provider for pressure washing, or more recommendations on getting your home market ready, contact your friends today at the Huffaker Group of Keller Williams Realty.